You got it. You got it. You my eyes.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, everybody. So today is moving day 2, and oh my god, guys, like as you can see, I'm wearing my brother's clothes. I left literally all my clothes in my other room, so I literally had nothing, and my brother hasn't moved his closet yet, so I had to steal some of his clothes so that I could sleep comfortably. And I'm gonna go get some clothes from my other room because I need to take a shower and I need to like take some things to Goodwill too. Today is like the biggest move out day, and I'm like, when are we gonna finish? Because like I just got out and like checked a little bit like in every single room of the house right now, and there's still so much shit that we need to do. My dad probably gets home. Today's Friday, so he probably gets home like at 4, and my brother went to work with him, so they are both coming back home like at 4, and my mom's coming back like at 10 p.m. because she has more work, sadly, and I'm the unemployed one. That's embarrassing. Update, I just took a shower and I'm back here on the new apartment, and I can't fucking find my freaking deodorant. Like, I just took a shower, and if you can see, my hair's already drying, and I want to blow dry my hair too, because if not, it's just gonna look like a big old mess. But I can't find my deodorant. Like, I know first world problems, but I don't know where I left it. I totally forgot because I did not name any of these boxes. Guys, we literally picked the worst day to move in because I'm the only one that's basically doing anything. My parents helped a little bit yesterday, but then they gave up like around 10-ish, and I think they only helped out for like 3 hours maybe. I'm not sure, but now I'm the only one that's at home, and I'm the only one that can do shit, so I'm gonna have to move more stuff, and I'm literally so tired. But we need to move out this house. Like, my goal for today is to move out everything of the other house by today, so that I need to call the cook. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so my goal is to like move everything so that like we can clean the apartment tomorrow. You got it. You got it. You my eyes. So my room is pretty much emptied out. As you can hear the echo, this is just like trash that I'm gonna be throwing out, and just a few things that I still need to take to my other room, but that's just like the least important stuff, and I will probably be doing that tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so I finally moved everything out of my older room into my new room, and so tonight's gonna be my first night sleeping in this apartment, and I'm gonna be doing it by myself because my parents have not finished their room and my brother hasn't finished his. So I'm gonna be sleeping here, and since I'm not sleepy yet, I decided that I'm gonna be organizing my room a little bit, and that's gonna be for a separate video, so wait on that video because I'm gonna be decorating my room too, and I'm very excited because I already ordered new LED lights, and I know my room is gonna look so good. Since tomorrow is gonna be my last day moving everything out of my older apartment, I'm gonna be doing a tour of the last apartment that I used to live in, and honestly it's like so ugly, but I want to show you guys why I hated it. Okay, you can clearly see this. Wow. Hurry up, we got things to do.
I went to Parap. El Wi-Fi.
Hey y'all, you know you have Mexican moms when their son is like sleeping, and then their daughter just gotta do shit.
Qué bonito te ves trapeando, Esperancita.
You guys, we're almost done cleaning, and I'm so excited. We just need to wipe out the counters, mop, and vacuum a little bit the hall.
Vamos a mirar esto que lo vas a quedar.
You can throw it away. Wait, let me record it for memories.
¿Ya hicieron ustedes los demás?
I'll see you guys once we're done cleaning. We're about to finish. And I'll show you guys a tour of the old apartment so that you guys can compare it with the new apartment. Okay guys, so I'm finally able to give you guys a tour of the old apartment, and you guys are probably gonna get why I hated it so much. Like, I mean, yeah, it was okay, but it wasn't my favorite. Okay, so this is the door to enter my room. This is what it used to look like. As you can see, we literally cleaned everything. I'm literally so tired right now, but this is what it used to look like. Yo, peep the outfit though. Now when you get out of my room, you get this little hallway, I guess you could say. It's like literally so small. But here is my parents' room.
Fade away. Nothing for the same, nothing for the same. All up in my head, that's how I behave. Passing up the same, waking up the same.
My parents' room is a little bit bigger than mine, and I think the closet is a little bit bigger too. I don't remember honestly, but yeah, the room was definitely a lot bigger and it had more lighting. Then to your right, there's the bathroom. This is a bathtub, and I hated it because the lighting is just like not good at all. As you can see, this is what it used to look like. Don't worry, we cleaned everything. It had another mirror right here, which I didn't really see the point of it, but yeah. And I feel like it's bigger than the bathrooms that we got at the other apartment. Then we had like a little storage right here. It's honestly not that big, but it did help to keep a lot of shit that we didn't really use. Now, right here is the living room. And I don't know, I feel like we never were able to like actually open the windows. A lot of people will be able to like see from the outside, and then the kids will come just like right here outside of my apartment to like talk and play and whatever. This is the kitchen. We had a little ceiling fan over here, and this is what the kitchen used to look like. I feel like when they remodeled this place, it will look so much better, but still the lighting is a little bit sus. Honestly, as you can see, the place looks very old because when we moved in, they just cleaned the place. They didn't like remodel anything. I'll show you guys outside right now.
I don't even know if you'll
You see what I mean? Things that I still need to take, but this is what it used to look like outside. We had like this little patch of greenery. So yeah guys, this is literally the end of the vlog, I think, for now. Next vlog is gonna be me organizing my room, which is gonna be so fun because I have ideas on what to put in my room so that it looks a little bit new. You know what I mean? And oh my god, when you take this sticker of when my TikTok got a little bit of followers, my video that went viral, like a lot of people were asking me, because I recorded my TikTok here, and a lot of people were asking me like, what the fuck, what is this on your door? Like, yo, the door is from Apple or something like that. I don't remember, but it was funny. And my brother put it in here when he was like 13, I think, and I'm never gonna be able to take it off. Yeah, I can. So here's the famous sticker. Anyways, I'm gonna be sad. I'm gonna miss this place. We had a lot of great memories, bad memories. Honestly, we had it all, but I grew a lot in this apartment. I was here for 3 years. You can imagine. I was 15, now I'm 18, which is crazy to say, but I'll miss you a little bit, apartment. I hope you miss me too. Goodbye, apartment. You were good to me, kind of. Bye guys.